recording. Sorry guys for the absolutely chopped um face today. I just woke up. The thing is, what the heck happened? Let's go to right here. Here's our order book. Again, delayed. Just kind of looking into sea levels here, if I even can. But anyways, what happened was what time is it? 17. We're good with 10 minutes. What happened was I woke up pretty late to message him because I was watching the World Cup game yesterday right after work with my parents, and it was pretty late, so I ended up falling asleep right after that. And I missed a lot of time. But anyways, we have this pre-market or Asia High. I don't know yet. We're gonna mark it out. Something that pissed me off yesterday, or something that I found out yesterday, was that I forgot to mark this London low, and it was right under the 8 a.m. breaking retest yesterday. So I shorted. I thought we were gonna short, but because we had this, there was a potential bounce off of this, and we did end up bouncing off of that. So that's why we were what's it called? Like going up and stuff. Um, so that kind of made me mad yesterday. I was like, dang man, I didn't mark that out because I rushed the I rushed the pre-market analysis, which is incredibly important. Let's see what's in the Forex Factory with this guy. All right, today is Wednesday, I believe. It is Wednesday, and we have red news data at 9. I guess it already happened. Nothing, nothing today, but hopefully we do good today. Hopefully we have nice volatility. I will not be at my desk watching the market as much. Right after I mark out my levels and see if we are even close to something I want to trade, because my room was a mess. First of all, the things that came yesterday, as you can see here, I don't know if we even can. We've got a new little chair that I decided to get, and we have um my little drawer. Let's see if my camera's fixed. It is. Okay. No, you cannot see it. The sunlight is crazy. But um we have new stuff here. So if we're not close to a zone or to a high or low or whatever, something that I want to take, um if we're not close to any of that, I'm just gonna be cleaning up my room. I didn't make my bed because I'm putting new bed sheets in today. They're not dirty, they're just a color that I want. Just to match with the whole room. I'm gonna clean my entire room. Um, and we're just gonna see what happens. So I'm not gonna be away from my keyboard for a long time. Um, with my PJs, it's embarrassing. Um, but yeah, right after this, I have a haircut appointment at 10:45, so that's after market or after my trading time. So I'll be hopping off these charts, getting a shower in, and then going to that appointment. Cause look at these hairs, guys. I left for Mexico when I got a haircut like the day before, and then now I need a new one. So 15-minute time frame, rectangle. What is this? 8, 8 to 8:15. So that's this guy. Oh yeah, Mexico won. Um, that's pretty good. This is not good though. I'd rather see this. I don't like this. So we broke up. I don't want to call it a break just yet because this has to be larger than 5 points. Yeah, it is 5 points. We did break up, but now what am I doing? But now we are I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Um, this is a big sign of disrespect. However, we are still touching the midpoint, except for these two candles right here. Um, do have it like a 10 point, whatever. So it's like 6.5 point zone. Ah, 6.5 point zone. Um, we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend right now. Um, I gotta mark out my time zones first. I showed you this before starting the recording. Give me 1 second here. There we go. Also, Friday we have no trading days. That is 4th of July. So I don't know. So it's gonna be a short week. I don't know about the volatility, honestly. See if any more time things, any more things we have to look out for. We're approaching a high, this London high. Or I guess we were at it. Let's mark this out. So because price is hitting this high, I'm not taking any 8 a.m. stuff. No 8 a.m. Because we hit this, and depending on how strong this is, what price is at. This is at 539. Depending on how strong this is, um, hold on. 7524. We're right here right now. Anyways, because we're hitting this, I might see us just keep going down and see if we hit this zone. I don't like this disrespect that's happening right here on the 5 minute, which is really important. Look at this. Even though we're still getting some respect, we just come right back up. Um, and now we approach this, we hit this. Price is probably gonna do another, and we're just gonna see this happen. Um, yeah, I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that. Um, or who knows, we might break up here, but I still wouldn't take this if it retested. Yeah, market opens in 4 minutes. I'm going to clean my room after I do NASDAQ. NASDAQ, it looks like we're going in a downtrend. Um, very clear downtrend here. Let's go mark these out. What am I doing? I'm not expecting this one to be very long. I'm not expecting a very long trading day. Either we hit this, we keep breaking up, then I wouldn't trade, or we come down. Either way, we're very close to these See what the 5 minute is doing. Are we still trying to fight this? Like, I guess this is strong, but not like strong enough, you know? Like there's clear resistance. Um, just I don't like seeing this. 'Cause I'm not missing any other lows here. That would make me very angry. Yeah, just that one. This one I have no idea. We liquefied that. I think we're going up. I'll do that. Who knows? We might come down here. Our mark opens in 1 minute. Let's see what's happening. 30 seconds. Yeah, we hit this. Same thing as yesterday, honestly. Except for all this consolidation. Let's say it was like this, right? A break. Wow, nice break. I didn't see this like a low. Like this, just think of it this way. Wow, look. We're gonna come back up. I'm gonna take this short. But no, since we hit a London low, same thing here. I don't know. Alright, let's just watch it. What a dump. What a dump. What a dump. Yeah, so look, if it was right here, like I would have gone stopped out. Like crazy. Alright, let's see if we hit this and then come back up. That's what I would want to take. Look at that, man. One of these days, I'm gonna see if I get the volume footprint, so I can see all that CBD stuff. But probably by not by like a next paycheck. So I don't have much to work with right now. But I do want to be patient because these are the worst months for trading. I'm told. Like if I was like when I'm profitable, like a year or so, in this time, this is like not trading, just going on vacation. That would be tough. But right now, starting out this paper trading stuff is like at the hardest part. Like I'll learn a lot. I'll learn a lot about myself during these times. As fast as we come down, like we're gonna come up. However, NQ is starting to make. If NQ comes up here, we're gonna start making higher highs. Don't know why we'd be dumping. Oh look, now we're dumping a lot. I don't know what VIX is doing. We're approaching it. If we get two confirmation candles on the 1 minute that it doesn't close up under it, I'll see if I can take it. We're approaching it, so I might want to get ready. I suck at this. Here, limit order. Okay, let's see if it closes over it. If it is, we're just gonna buy. So in 30 seconds, this one's done. I'm not gonna immediately trade right now. I do want to see confirmation, um, especially in these days. I don't want to rush it. But one thing I'm gonna say is, as fast as these come down, as fast as it's gonna come up, because I've seen it. 8, 7, 6, 5. I think we're closing over it. No, we're not. All right. We might keep coming down, but we can always also look at the 5 minute. This would not be something I'd want to take. Because look at the base of this candle. Yep, that's not good. If we, I also don't want to take that. I don't want to take continuation trades just yet. I don't feel like I'm ready for it. So like touch here and boom, keep breaking down. Feel bad I can't use this yet. 3533. So let's go to 7510. Because this is where we are right now. This is bad. 7510. That's a lot. 7510, we did have a lot of people getting filled. And boom. That's where it closed. I don't like that. Alright, so right now we're not going to trade. I don't feel like being overly cautious. Alright, I'm gonna grab some water. We're not trading this, so hopefully it doesn't just dump and then bounce. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on some shorts because I look hideous to be honest, honestly. In like a little bit. The price is still consolidating. I'll be right back and put on some shorts. but we're not gonna short. Yeah, we're this close, so close over it. Touched it, broke it. See what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq might want to come down to this one. Who knows? Oh, don't do that. Who knows? Honestly, but since we hit ESs, don't know. All right, let's go. Be right back. I mean, we're really fighting that. Also in the 5 minute. What's going on, man? 1 minute. Okay. We're still really fighting that. No. Yeah, see, look, I still want to trade that. It's not a scalp. A scalp is. Actually, it is kind of like that. We're slowly going up. So, I don't know. Price might. Low key, price might. To the ICT people. Might fill up this imbalance here. And then keep coming down. Who knows? I don't trade that. So I don't know exactly when um this would happen. Might fill this fair value gap, come down. I don't trade that though. But I do see a continuation maybe happening. Because we are in a downtrend right now. Except for this part. This started being an uptrend and it's like I keep doing that. Alright, so I'll still be doing stuff though. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I built this car when I first started training. Like as I was watching like PGRs, like ICT stuff, but I don't trade ICT, so um maybe that's why I switched it to order flow. Oh look, it's hitting the thing. Now we're gonna see if it keeps coming down, but I'll still be cleaning my room. Is price still fighting that? We're not trading. Um well, yeah, you hit it. Now it's just really trying to go down. Ouch. Cut myself. Um, see what happens. So price did end up. Oops. So price did end up breaking above that. Ah. Okay, there we go. Price did end up breaking above that. Um. So I still would not have traded that. Broke under it. But I don't even want to think, oh, that would have been a winning trade. That's not good because it did not fit our strategy. Um. So yeah, who knows? We might keep bouncing up. We might break that, retest that, whatever. Um. Yeah, who knows? Low key, it's always when they break, like don't respect don't respect the break, and then they retest it, and it always retests. But we're not trading that. I don't have proof to prove that. Oh look, it's gonna happen. Um. So again, not very interesting day today. Moves did happen, but not to where we wanted it. Something like that. So yeah, not very interesting day. I guess it was more interesting than like Monday or Tuesday. Um, but still, not trading this. I wouldn't even trade that. Take that take that bounce again. If we bounce off of that, but nothing yet. It's only been 30 minutes to market open. Yep, I have my haircut's in 45. All right, we're gonna keep doing this. All right, so price is starting to come back up here. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's making like low key gaps right here. A lot of buying power. I think we're gonna buy the volume profile. We're gonna see how that works for a little bit, and if it doesn't work, well, not if it doesn't work, like it works sometimes. But order flow, we're just gonna put off right now. Just we're just looking at to see the buying um to see the um buying power. No, not the buying power, the order power. Oh, don't do that. Chopped, bro. But then we're getting this hair in. See, we we didn't even touch it. Okay. It's looking pretty good. I'm just low key. The only thing I want to see, if we start coming back down, I think we're done for the day. But if we see this up here, I would want to take that. Oh man, I would want to take this bounce. We're holding it off right now. Right now, there's a level I'd like to see. I like this level. I like this. Now will be a good time to see the volume profile and this demand zone. Demand zone would be like this candle or like this one. But right now we're just watching. This is the last move for the day. Um, do want to make breakfast before I go for the gym. Approaching it. Alright, just kind of stocking that right now. Alright, I'll just be stocked. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's look at the 1 minute. Approaching it. Alright, let's set up something. We touched it. Wait, that's 4 points? So 15 would be a lot of points. Breaking above it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Broke above it. Alright. Not good. Since we broke above these two, there is a really big chance we are going up here. Don't know if that's what NQ wants. We broke above this high. No, we didn't. We're right there. No, we broke above it. I'd like to see a candle closure above the 5 minute for Nasdaq and this dude. One above and then one after it without touching this. And it's safe to say we'll go up here. But it is a pretty long trade. Oh no, that's 15 right there. So that'll be like around right here or something. 15 points. The 5 point stop loss. Crazy absorption. Crazy absorption, honestly. I wouldn't be surprised if we just kept going up. Alright. I will wait for a 5 minute candle closure. This one's over, on obviously. I want to see a 5 minute candle closure above here. Something like this, but up here. And then we'll talk about a trade. I honestly don't want to trade today. I don't see anything I like. Other than if we take this one, I'll be right back. I don't like how this is looking. Oh, that's a FOMO trade. I just realized that's a FOMO trade. We're supposed to be trading at the level going up, not halfway. This price could always end up reversing on us, and we could die in real life. We could actually die in the game. Never mind. Um, yeah, it's a FOMO trade. I just realized. I tried something smart, but that's a FOMO trade. I'm not doing that. All right, well, we broke these. Price doesn't want to come up here though, so that's something. Anyways, we did end up breaking above this, so I want to test something. I might lose here because I know how to do limit orders, just don't know how to do market orders. See the depth of market. Is that how it works? I have no idea how this works. Oh, the margin. Oops. Okay, if we get, never mind. That's the FOMO trade I was talking about. All right. Well, we're gonna keep going up, but nothing is presented to us. No A plus setups. But even A plus setups can lose sometimes. All right. Well, that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna quickly clean my room, get some breakfast in. So I forget the haircut appointment. But yeah. All right. That'll be it. I'm gonna speed up the boring parts. I promise. I didn't do it yesterday. I forgot to. I had the video, uploaded it. I went to go do stuff. I was like, oh crap, I uploaded it. I was like, that's fine. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one.